friend, Marian here, potentials.com, signing at our channel. So let's continue studying our books. So yung success principle for Jack Canfield. So principle number 63 na tayo. Start now, just do it. So yung opening quote niya is for Oliver Wendell Holmes. Many people die with their music still in them. Why is this so? Too often it is because they are always getting ready to leave. Before they know it, time runs out. So, minsan we plan so many or so long, so many times, pero we do not start. Kaya nga, the principle number 6 is start now, just do it. So, sometimes kasi we are overcome by fears, anxieties, obstacles, so we tend not to start dun sa ating goal-setting journey. We just plan, write, but we do not take action. So, ang principle number 6 is start now, just do it. So, sabi nga, ano ba yung example nga? Do you want to be a public speaker? Schedule a free talk to our local service club, school, or church group. Gusto mo bang maging chef? So, start cooking or enroll in a cooking lesson. Para just find something na ma-ignite or mag-start yung journey mo rather than keep on daydreaming but not taking an action. So, sabi nga, si Sir Jack, sabi niya, I started my career as a history teacher in a Chicago high school, but right now he's a speaker and a book author, famous book author with best-selling book, diba? But sabi niya, he started with the teaching kasi I had to start anyway. It was in this process of teaching that I learned other things. So, minsan it's a starting point is where we are, whom we are developed. Dun sa kung ano man binigay sa atin na starting job or career, diba? So, how do we get started? So, sabi nga ni, in the success principle book, diba, yung first niya is take 100% responsibility for your life and your success, clarify your life purpose, decide what you want, set specific and measurable goals, break them down into specific plans, create affirmations, begin the practice of visualizing your completed goals every day. So, marami po. Kaya we are in number 60. But today, right now, you have to start doing something dun sa dream goal mo in your life. No? And of course, yun nga, most important is to take action. Kahit na small acts lang yan. Sabi ko nga, if you want to be a chef, so kung whatever budget do you have, cook little things, kahit na scrambled egg yan, fried rice, squid ball, so anything na to spark your energy towards your life goal or your dream destination. So sabi niya, finally, sabi niya, work on developing your money consciousness. Make sure you set a procedure for automatically investing 10% or more of your paycheck in an investment account. So madali ba yan? So friend, yung investment naman, pwede ring savings. Investment are some sa stock market or mutual funds or savings account or time deposit. So, basta save something apart for your future. Para pagka may emergency, meron ka ring extra money on your savings accounts. Hindi lahat ng money nilalabas natin outside, no? So, yun. Parang that's principle number 63. Get started today, right now. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.